ruining OEM S2010.
Bitch, I couldn't teach you how to sweat like you can't Tommy, y'all. You a bad bitch. Send me pictures of your tati, y'all.
So today I'm doing clear tails for the S2K. These are the stock tail lights, and I'm gonna be clearing them out. Basically, I'm gonna be ruining. Some people may say I'm ruining it. Some people may say I'm doing it better. But I'm gonna be clearing these. I'm gonna be cutting the whole lens, then painting the housing chrome, and then probably painting these white. I'm not sure yet because these are red reflectors. I can't really take them out, but we'll see. I'm about to show you the process on how to do clear taillights on your car for cheap. This is the cheap way. Cause I'm gonna add the plexiglass later on, but for now I'm gonna just keep it off with the lens off and do it like that. Okay. Big ass chunk. So I finished breaking the whole lens. I'm not gonna lie, that was a bitch to do because I had to pull out all the lenses. So basically what I did is I heated it up, then I pulled it out basically. Don't do the same mistake as me. So the side marker, my dumbass thought it was like this one, it just popped right out. I was pulling it and I broke it, and then next thing I know, that I had screws over here, which I didn't know. So, but I really didn't need it anyways because this is already chromed out, so it's fine. But don't make the mistake. Now what you're gonna need is also chrome paint for the housing. Basically I stripped all the paint out and I'm about to put designs all right here, and we masked the whole outer lip so it doesn't paint on this side, so I'm gonna keep it black type shit. I was cooking, guys. I'll put stars in there so when it comes out it will be like stars all over it. Everything's ready, now primed everything. Now it's time for the chrome. Yes sir. Let's get this bitch rolling. And now let's let that sit. Come back to it. Alright guys, so it's the second day and it finished drying. So let me show y'all how it turned out. I'm not gonna lie, it looks crazy. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for this shit? Look. Oh, I'm about to nut, bro. Okay, when you get up closer, you see the imperfections, but yeah, I don't need to get that close. You feel me? You ain't gonna do that. You ain't gotta do all that. I'm not gonna lie, the only thing I don't fuck with is like I had to put back the amber turn signal because it wouldn't, like, if I put the aftermarket one, it makes it blink faster. So I had to put the other one, type shit. They don't mind the bacon fender, but can't even fit a finger now. That's good fucking fitment. But I would like to tug more tire, I'm not gonna lie. I want to tug more tire, but for that I need more camber. That's fine. I'm gonna get more camber, trust me, soon, coming soon. Front and rear, I'm gonna match. I don't like looking more rear than the front. That should look goofy as fuck to me. So that is the left side, driver's side. Passenger side, same thing. Can't put a fucking finger in there. Hey, what do you guys think? By the way, I'm gonna tint the back plastic soon. I have to paint it, but I'm glad I didn't paint this part chrome too, because it makes it stand out more. I'm not gonna lie. It makes it stand out way more. But damn, this shit's coming along good. Now for the wrap. The wrap is coming soon.
What the fuck is up, YouTube? Rape that like button. Harass the subscribe.
About a cream.